Dan with 3D Auto Repair here. Today we're looking at a 2008 Toyota Camry. The customer came in complaining about a noise at idle, and as soon as they revved the car up, it seemed like the noise went away. Pulled the vehicle in, started it up, let it idle in the shop. We noticed the noise that they were talking about, as you can hear from our video. We noticed that the noise seemed to be coming from the alternator area. We then decided to hook up our DTAC machine, which is set up to test the alternator to see if it's functioning correctly, all the components of it are working correctly. We went ahead and ran that diagnostic procedure on the Toyota. We got our printout here. It shows that internally there's some diodes that have gone bad, which are potentially causing the noise that we hear. So we decided with the customer that we should go ahead and replace the alternator. At the time of inspection of the alternator, we also noticed that the belt was showing some cracks in it, showing some signs of age and wear. We informed the customer that it would be a great idea at that time to go ahead and replace the belt. They would just have the additional expense of the belt, no additional labor. So we went ahead and did that. We replaced the belt, we replaced the alternator, went ahead and started the vehicle up, noticed that the noise was gone. We tested it again with the DTAC to make sure all the components of the new alternator were functioning correctly, and finished the job up. If you have any questions about your alternator or why it should or shouldn't be working, or if you have a battery light on your dash and are concerned about that, please give us a call here at 3D Auto Repair or stop by the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.